5-second view at 30x of the great Andromeda Galaxy 31, 32, and 110, but it is not the premier view at 6:01 p.m. on the 22nd of November 2025. I want to show you NGC 891 because at some point I'm not going to be able to reference the Messier system you're seeing here for assaying the deep sky quality. We're going to have to turn over to 891. So let's have a look at that next. Okay, what we're seeing here is NGC 891, and a fine view it is. Sky is very nice and transparent tonight. We had a great day with sunshine here in the John Day Valley. Prepare to go to the NGC 300-399 series, which at 6 o'clock is probably about an hour, maybe more, from culminating. NGC 306 was a group of stars, I believe it's in Pisces. 307 is a galaxy in Cetus, brightish, magnitude 12.8, 1.6 by 0.7 arc minutes, 179 million light years distant, maybe 70,000 light years in diameter. I think I have it identified pretty well right there. Lenticular type, but it is probably visual 12.8. It's at right ascension 56 minutes 32 seconds with a declination of -1 degrees 46 minutes and 18 seconds. There is our 150x view through L Quattro F4 fast new. NGC 309 is a fine galaxy in Cetus. Let's back it back up to 50%, 75x. We have a transitor. It is magnitude 11.9, 3 by 2.4 arc minutes. A little large, but that's about right. Spiral with a bar, lowercase c, and an annularity. So that explains why it has such a clearly defined frontier. 255 million light years distant, puts us at about 180,000 light years in diameter. RA is 56 minutes 42 seconds with a declination of -9 degrees 54 minutes 50 seconds. There is our 150x view. This is probably 315. Galaxy in Pisces, magnitude 11.2. Lenticular spiral, 3 by 2.5 arc minutes, 230 million light years distant. RA 5749 with a declination of +30 degrees, 21 minutes and 8 seconds. Pushing both of them up and viewing 313 or 314. I can't remember. I might have skipped one. 315. I do believe that next galaxy was NGC 317b. So this one's a little further to the east. That's probably B right there. It's magnitude 13.9, a little fainter, 1.1 by 0.5, a little more edgy on. 57, right ascension 57 minutes 40 seconds with a declination of +43 degrees, 47 minutes 31 seconds. Let's frame them both up at 150x and get a view of both A and B 317. Our next study is quite obvious in the field. It's NGC 337, a galaxy in Cetus, magnitude 11.6 with spiral arms. 3 by 1.8 arc minutes, spiral with a bar, you can tell that, with a lowercase cd. So not much of a core, but it does seem to have one, and then it has a very bright star formation region. 72 million light years distant, puts it at about 50,000 light years in diameter. RA is 59 minutes, 50 seconds, almost an hour. Declination is -7 degrees, 34 minutes and 39 seconds. It does encourage us to have that 150x view. Quite nice. Too bad it's not in the sky's middle third. Our next study is in a very excellent sky position. So I'm going to push it up a bit further. This is NGC 338, a galaxy in Pisces, magnitude 12.8, 3-to-1 aspect, 1.8 by 0.6 arc minutes, spiral with a lowercase ab, 216 million light years distant. So it's probably somewhere around 110,000 light years in diameter, larger than our Milky Way. RA is 1 hour and 36 seconds. Declination is +30 degrees, 40 minutes and 7 seconds. Let's get that 150x view, especially in this part of the sky. Very, Very nice. We're looking for an NGC349 last study of the evening. It's a galaxy in Cetus. Fairly bright, 13.5, 1.2 by 0.9 arc-minute lenticular spiral. 257 million light years distant, means probably about 80,000 light years in diameter. Right ascension is 1 hour, 1 minute, 50 seconds with a declination of -6 degrees, 48 minutes, and 0 seconds. Night, 6:05 p.m. on the 24th of November, 2025, and you are looking at a very fine view of NGC 891, our kickoff view for this evening. Let's take it up to a 75x view. Unfortunately, we seem to be getting some comatose stars. Let me go ahead and reinitialize, and we'll see what happens with it. Okay, I reinitialized the stack. We got 2 stacks. None have been ignored. Total exposure time, 15 seconds. Okay, what we're looking for here in the field is a magnitude 12.6 edge-on 4:1 aspect ratio galaxy, and I do believe we're seeing it there. 2.4 by 0.8 arc-minute spiral with bar lowercase bc, so not a very pronounced core. 235 million light years distant, puts it at about 170,000 light years in diameter. We're at 1 hour, 2 minutes, 9 seconds with a declination of -4 degrees, 14 minutes, 44 seconds in Cetus, the whale. And let's have that 150x view. We're now off to NGC 354. I do believe it's this galaxy right here. 75x view. It's a galaxy in Pisces, further north. Magnitude 13.4, 0.8 by 0.4 arc-minutes. This is kind of small for a 13.4 magnitude galaxy. Spiral with a bar and a lowercase p. 211 million light years distant, maybe 50,000 light years, and maybe a little less than that, 40,000 light years in diameter. It's at right ascension, 1 hour, 3 minutes, 16 seconds, and a declination of +22 degrees, 20 minutes, 32 seconds. Let's push up the magnification and see if we can't make out a little bit more of its structure, and yes, we can. Okay, NGC 357 is the brightest galaxy of the evening thus far at magnitude 12. It's 2.5 by 1.7 arc-minutes. Spiral with a bar lenticular A, 106 million light years distant. So it's about 80,000 light years in diameter. It's at a right ascension, 1 hour, 3 minutes, 21 seconds with a declination of -6 degrees, 20 minutes, 19 seconds, and there is our 150x full pixelation view. Okay, here we're having a view of NGC 380, magnitude 12.5. Ooh, it may actually be even a brighter one. I don't remember what the last one was. I thought it was 12.8. 1.3 by 1.1 arc-minutes. Yes, it is a bit larger, so this may be our study. It's an elliptical class 2. That could work. 202 million light years distant, 75,000 light years in diameter. RA 1 hour, 7 minutes, 17 seconds with a declination of +32 degrees, 28 minutes, 59 seconds. And pushing the magnification up. One of these, and I'm going to pause it again and restack. Okay, there's our restack view. We've got 2 stacks in a row. It's probably going to distend on the next one, but let's move on. NGC 392, parking at 50%, 75x, is a galaxy in Pisces, magnitude 12.7, 1.2 by 0.9 arc-minutes. It's probably that one there. Lenticular spiral, 213 million light years distant, maybe 75,000 light years in diameter. We're at right ascension, 1 hour, 8 minutes, 23 seconds with a declination of +33 degrees, 8 minutes and 0 seconds. And there is our 150x. We're off to NGC 393, well positioned on the screen. It's a magnitude 12.5 galaxy in Andromeda, 1.7 by 1.4 arc-minutes. It's got a neighbor. Lenticular spiral, 277 million light years distant, means about 120,000 light years in diameter, with a right ascension of 1 hour, 8 minutes, 37 seconds, and a declination of +39 degrees, 38 minutes, 37 seconds. Okay, here is our 150x view before the stars go comatose on us. several galaxies in the field. NGC393 is one of them. Well, we're now 27 minutes 37 seconds into this video. We're looking at the second galaxy in the same field, I believe. Let me go ahead and reinstance this, run it up, because there was only a slight amount of adjustment in the field. Here's our three galaxies. We're looking for NGC399, which is fairly bright. 13.6, but it's 0.9 by 0.7 arc minutes, so this is probably our study here. It is further east, so this may have been our last one, which was 398. This one, however, is going to have to wait till our next tour. It's quite cold out. It's 0.9 by 0.7 arc minute galaxy in Pisces, spiral with a bar, lowercase a, 237 million light years distant. I'm going to restack it. Once again, here's our galaxy field. 237 million light year distant NGC 399 at 1 hour, 8 minutes, 59 seconds with a declination of plus 32 degrees, 38 minutes, 2 seconds. Our final study of the evening. So there is our view. We've had a chance to tour them at 5 seconds. Let's see if we can find something nice to go out on. Well, you can't go wrong with this view, although it shows you how displaced the studies are in the field. We've had our second stack of Messier 31 at 32 and 110. And with that, I am going to say, oh, and NGC 206 star cloud in Messier 31. And with that, I'm going to push it up just a little bit and say, oh, maybe we can get them all in there. Oh, look at that. Carpe Nocte.